Hello to the first tutorial in surfacing. In this tutorial we're going to be having an introduction about surfaces. So let's start a sketch in one of these planes, and to reach to the surface place you have to right click on this bar here, and then you have surfaces. So surfaces is a toolbox by itself in SolidWorks, which have some tools working with surfaces. They are quite familiar with the features we were talking about in the previous tutorials. So, but in this toolbox, they are in the surface level. If you are familiar with the inventor making only one tool set, for example like the feature in SolidWorks, and there are options always for creating the surface. So in inventor there are one set, but here there are two different toolboxes. So here we have the surfaces, and also you can reach to the surfaces from insert surface, and you have your surface tools. Okay, now let's start making a sketch. Let's make very simple spline, exit, then exit that sketch. So now we have this line. If you go to the feature, try to extrude it, so you will extrude it like a solid body with a thickness. You see here the thin feature is activated, so you can make it 1 millimeter or smaller, then okay. So here you have a body or a solid bar. So if you look here to the left, solid bodies, so this is considered that extrude thin as a solid body, but the surface is something different. So let's delete this extrude and go to the surface instead. So let's activate the surface tool, and if you look here you have the extruded surface. This activated, select that. Now you have a surface. Let's just try to find this arrow here. So now we extruded that surface. When you are done, okay. So the difference now, if you look here the left tree, you have a surface body. The surface has no mass, no volume, just it is a view to a surface. It's because in the future you are able to add thickness and so on after working that surface. So this is the first introduction about surfaces. The next tutorial we're going to continue talking about the extrude and contours. So see you in the next